First at 10, COVID-19 cases are back up across Riverside County. Should we be concerned about the increase after this holiday weekend? News Channel 3's Samantha Lomibow joins us live in Rancho Mirage tonight with more on the rise in cases and what the county is now recommending. Sam.
Karen, according to the county, more than 4,200 positive cases have come up since Friday. Now, since that doesn't even include all of the at-home tests people are taking, the county says the actual number of cases could be much higher.
I think every individual needs to make that choice of whether it's right for them, if it's right for the others that they live with, or the people that they're around.
For Laurel LeClaire, wearing a mask to the grocery store is what makes her feel safe.
I feel fine, and again, it's just a personal choice that I've chosen to make in order to keep everyone safe.
As COVID restrictions have died down compared to recent years, she said she's grown to be more comfortable in certain situations.
That's the aim, I know, is for this to be over at some point, and it may not be. It may be something that we'll be living with for many, many years to come. So just keeping up good practice.
According to Riverside County, coronavirus cases are up.
For the last month or so, month and a half, 2 months, we've had a steady increase in cases in general.
Especially after people nationwide and here at home gathered together for the holiday weekend, we could expect to see even more.
If history is an indication, we're likely to see a bump in the next 10 to 15 days.
Not to mention the increase in at-home testing.
Do we know if there's like any percentage or amount of numbers that it could be skewed with the amount of home tests being taken that's not being counted in the county numbers?
Our data team tells us it would be a guess. It could be anywhere from 10% to 30%.
Fortunately, the symptoms of the new variant tend to not be as severe as we've seen in the past, but it seems to be more contagious.
More people are vaccinated more than once in many cases, and that could provide the protection they need to keep them from getting seriously ill.
Although many are ready to put the pandemic in the past, officials urge you to continue masking up indoors, get tested, and get vaccinated.
If you're going to places where you're indoors, do you not know the vaccine status of those that are around you, we would encourage you to wear the mask and also get vaccinated. Again, there's still plenty of vaccine.
And in Palm Springs, according to officials there last week, the wastewater sample showed a 30% increase of the virus from the week prior. Now, the county says numbers from this past holiday weekend we should see in about 2 weeks. Live in Rancho Mirage, Samantha Lomibow, News Channel 3.